Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Turbo membership. Now, of course, you're going to log into the Turbo membership first. Now, I'm using a default login and password. Yours will, of course, be different. So I'm going to just type in admin and admin. That's the one that was given to me when I first set up the account. And I'm going to click remember me, and then I'm going to click sign in. That then brings me to the dashboard. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to edit the settings. Just going to go to the top dashboard here, and then we're going to click the word settings. Now when you get to the settings area, this is going to be the login email that you're going to associate with your account. You're going to have a password associated with that email in that area. And then you're going to have a redirect on login if you want one, so that when a person logs in and you want them to go to a certain page, you're going to put that URL in this box. If you want to have someone redirected to a certain page when they log out, you're going to do that through this box. Again, you're going to put that URL right there. And then when they actually sign up, when they first sign up to get their login and password, you can actually redirect them to the page. Now, this could be useful if you want to give them some additional instructions, you want to welcome them, and then you want to give them just a sense that you are really going to be maintaining the membership. Now, this represents the maximum number of places that a person can log in from. You can set this at 2, you can set it at 3, you can set it however you want to. Some people will limit the number of places that a person can log in from at 2. What this does is this protects you from having someone purchase your membership and then sharing it with other people. Now, once you've edited all the settings, what you're going to do is you're going to click the Save button. What we're going to do now is we're going to add our first registration code. And in order to do that, we're going to go to the left side menu. We're going to click Add a Code. And then we're going to type in a code, and in this particular case, I'm going to type in just a code, a random number. You can type in whatever you want. And then I'm going to specify a number of times for this code to be used. Now, since a code is going to be associated with each user, what you're going to do is you're going to put a number here that the code can be used, or a number of times that a person can actually register. The best thing to put here would be 2. You don't have to put an expiry date in there unless you're going to have your code to expire for your membership. And once you've done that, you can hit save. Now, the time may come when you have to ban someone from your membership, and what you're going to do when you need to do that is you're going to go to the user section of the dashboard, and then you're going to find your member list here. And when you need to ban someone, you'll just go right over here to the right hand side. You're then going to click this button, not the trash or not the edit. You're going to click the ban button, and then that person will be banned. And you'll see it there, and it's going to say banned. So now what's going to happen is that user is going to come to this page. They're going to try to log in. They're going to click sign in. And it's going to say that they are not authorized to enter this area, which is the membership area. But now there could be a point where that user makes things right, and you are then going to want to unban them. And you're just going to go right back to the same dashboard. And you're going to click that button. And then they're going to be made active. And once you do that, they'll be able to then go to the page, the same one where they were banned before. They'll type in their login and password. They'll click sign in, and then they'll be given access to the membership area. Now, we don't have any pages there, so we are now logged in. Now, you might find that a user may need to create registrations more than once. And what the code allows them to do, or what the code allows you to do, is allows you to restrict the number of times the user can do that. However, you might find that you need to raise that limit. 2 might be too few. And what you'll need to do then is you'll need to go to the edit area, and then you can change that number to a higher number, and then click save. Now we're going to do one more exercise, and we are actually going to go to the user area, and we're going to add a user. So in order to do that, we're going to click users, and we are going to now click add a user. And then we're going to write in their name, email address, and password. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I've got a login and password in there, and we're going to add this user to our database, and we're just going to click Save. Once we've done that, that user then has been added to the database. We then can go back to the user area, and we can actually delete a member. So you'll see that there are two members there. We're going to take the last one, and we are going to delete that member. We're just going to go right over here to the end. We're going to click the trash button. And then that person is deleted. Now, if you have not yet seen the demo, it's a good idea to go back and watch it. Everything that we've done, we've actually shown you how to do each thing that you've seen in the demo and to make it easy for you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.